guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing the Ipsy Glam bag unbagging for the month of July. So in my bag, we have the cute, super cute bag this month that just gives me like tropical mermaid type vibes with the teal and the pink and the tag that says Ipsy. There were no extra products outside my bag, so we'll just get right on into what's in here. Now I did see like the sneak peek on my app, but I honestly don't really remember what's in here, so it's gonna be a little bit of a surprise to me as well. The first thing I'm pulling out is the little card that says Dive In for July of 2019. It is a little pamphlet that kind of gives us a glimpse of all the stuff in there and lets us know that on August 2nd you can add additional products to your glam bag. So yeah. First thing I am pulling out is the Glam Glow Glow Starter Mega Illuminating Moisturizer in Nude Glow. Might be easier if I do it this way. I don't know how well you guys can actually see that, but yeah, and it is fairly small. It's only 0.24 ounces, but I'm excited. I like moisturizers, so we will try it. Next, I am pulling out the Ico Beach Waterproof Mascara, which actually, now that I pull this out, and it looks like it's probably going to be in a blue shade, I guess. Now that I pull this out, I'm pretty sure that I was supposed to get the It Cosmetics Superhero mascara, unless that's in my Glam Bag Plus, but if this is what's replacing it, I'm very sad. I'm not a huge fan of Ico products, unfortunately, but it does say beach waterproof, but if it's blue, I will get no use out of that. I don't wear colored mascara unless the color is incredibly black. Next, I'm pulling out this really cute little eyeshadow from Colorac Rain. That's what it looks like on the outside. It doesn't really give me any information on it. Let's see if I can. These boxes are always so hard to open, and I hate tearing them because a lot of these small eyeshadows I just donate because I'm not really an eyeshadow girl. So this is what it looks like. I guess I can pop it open, but I'm not going to swatch it because I'm probably going to donate it. It is a very sparkly kind of color, and it says that it is in the color Who Me. But that looks like 80% of the eyeshadows that I've gotten from Ipsy, so yeah, probably won't get any use out of that either. Next, I'm pulling out Phase Zero Cotton Candy Blusher. Interesting. I feel like none of these are the items I thought they were, so maybe I'm thinking of my Glam Bag Plus that I saw items for. Because I feel like none of these look familiar. Ugh. Wow, it's like literally a whole box inside this box. Okay, so this is what the packaging looks like. It is like just a little reflective plastic, and if I could open it, I hate these things. I'm literally not sure why it won't. Okay, it literally will not open. Like, I am actually confused. You don't push. Holy. Alright, well, I guess we're just not gonna see what's inside there, because I can't get it open. Last is this Smashbox liquid lip gloss. It is the Always On liquid lipstick in the color Babe Alert. So that's pretty. I've never tried a Smashbox lip before, so I'm excited about that. There was nothing else in this bag, and that's 5 items. And I did actually use some of my points to get an extra item. Oh God, and I finally got this open. So this is what the Phase 1 Cotton Candy Blusher looks like. That's actually really pretty, and I don't have a blush that looks like that. So I will definitely be trying that out. But I did not get the extra product that I use my points for unless it's in my Glam Bag Plus. So we will have to see if it is. But that is all that was in my bag. Yeah, that's everything, and all of those items were supposed to be in here. The bag is super cute. I'm excited about this. And I guess the Glam Glow moisturizer. But other than that, really not an exciting month for me. Yeah. Just kind of a classic Ipsy with a couple products that are good and then a couple that are like meh. But yeah, did you guys get similar products? Let me know down below. Did you guys get anything different that you think is better? Let me know. Is there anything here that you wish you would have gotten? Let me know. Also, subscribe if you would like. I always open my Ipsy bags and Ipsy Glam Bag Pluses on my channel, and I would love to have more people in the family. And obviously from other videos on my channel, I am pregnant, so I also do pregnancy updates and stuff. So if you're interested in that, I'm on that journey as well. Otherwise, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.